Okay, so a part of me revamping for, you know, spring and summer is also the bathroom. That is just gorgeous. So this is the wall that I painted. It's so hard to record in such a small space. But that's the wall, black. So in here, the colors are more like, oh, sorry about the light, gray, black, white, and gold. Do you see how pretty that big picture is? It like takes up basically the whole wall. So I painted all the way up to the ceiling. Your girl did it all by myself. So I'm excited about that. But I'm also going to continue to paint in here, and I'm going to paint the same wall, but on this side. So it looks like it flows through to the bathroom. But I put the shower curtains up. These are the ones that are giving me more of like a, what is that? Versace kind of design. And then right here, behind the bathroom toilet, is just some embellishments that kind of help bring this whole space together. I was thinking about painting this wall too, black, not quite sure. If not, I still have to come in and touch up some of these holes and then repaint this wall white. And then down here, you know, just convenient, some toilet paper, this is my daughter's bathroom, so some feminine napkins, so they're always ready. I'm going to be painting that cabinet black and then adding some gold hardware. I think it would help elevate this space. And I did look at how it looks from this view. Is that not beautiful? I mean, that black wall, although for some it's scary to think about black, but it's paint. You guys, you could just repaint it. But I love it. I feel like it elevates this space. I feel like it brings some elegance as well. And yeah, I love it. Love that photo. Really nice picture. I really love it. And it was $39.99 at Ross. And then right here are some accessories. For those of you who do not know and you're new to the Succulent home, I have an eclectic flair to my design. And although I try not to do too much, I keep with like some basic colors. I don't go too loud, but I do go eclectic when it comes to like my tchotchkes and, you know, like little knickknacks, like the monkey right here that you see. This is a part of a 3 trio of the Speak No Evil, Hear No Evil, and See No Evil. This one is looks like it's covering its nose and mouth, right? So no, Speak No Evil, but I thought it was fitting for the bathroom since it's covering its nose, and then technically, you know, people go to the bathroom and then it's like, yeah. If you're in my mind, you'll be laughing at it. So here's a candle and these are actually just display towels. But if I run out of paper towels, which yes, some of you are going to comment and might say the environment, it's not that good, but I keep paper towels because usually guests, my little girl's going to use a towel because we're everyday, but guests, they don't want to use the same towel. Plus it gets soggy and wet. Like that's just gross. Who wants that? And then I love to use natural stone throughout my house. So this is the paper towel holder, wood and stone. Same thing with this. I keep the tags all the time, $12.99. These came from Tuesday mornings, I believe. And yeah, same thing right here. So it's simple, but yet enough, and it has personality. The next thing I need to work on is just the rugs. I don't like to settle, and I won't buy anything until I find the perfect piece or the perfect rug for the space for me to want to finish. So hopefully you like it. Hopefully it inspires you while we're still revamping in the Succulent home. Okay, so now, because your girl is always like revamping and wanting to do like new stuff, I just come to the conclusion that this bathroom is not finished yet because your girl is sanding down the cabinets underneath the sink because your girl is in a black phase. And I'm painting everything black. I just love it. We're gonna do it. I just sanded it all, and then I used a cloth just to dust off all of that debris, the sand, the wood debris. Now I'm gonna tape the sides of the trim of the walls that's right by the cabinet because I don't want the paint to get on there. This stuff is very tedious. So if you're gonna paint or do on a project, make sure you have everything so you can do a project right. There's nothing worse than having a DIY project that looks like a DIY project. You know what I'm saying? Like, embrace your inner HGTV Joanna Gaines. And you do the dang thing, but you do the dang thing right. So with myself, I have all of this stuff. My husband and I, we save everything when it comes to like my projects because one, it's an investment. Two, you don't want to waste money. So it's worth taking the time to do the little extra, okay? Because at the end, when you're done with your project, it's going to look fabulous. And it's going to look like you hired someone professional. And really, you can pop your collar because it was you. Use the professional. So these are the cabinets that I'm going to be painting black. I also added, which I didn't show you earlier, those black curtains to hang on the side, just to like pull in the black in there because I didn't paint black in there. I'm a little hesitant. I wanted to paint that wall black so it like continued from here all the way in there, just on that side. I still might do it. I'm just a little hesitant because it's smaller in here and I don't want it to look too small. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But I don't know, you know, sometimes, I mean, the black is definitely making a statement. So I might just do it. I just might. Okay, so far one coat is done. As you can see, I'm only going to be painting the outside and just around, you know, obviously everything. But I'm not gonna do the inside of the doors because I'm not gonna take those things out. Ain't no one got time for that. We're just doing the facelift. We're just doing the facelift, nothing for the inside. And it's gonna look good once I get the hardware too. So first coat down, guys, it's down. Okay, so forget about what I said the last time. I wanna do a good job, so I'm not gonna not paint the inside. So I took them off and now the insides are painted and it looks really nice. And this is the hardware that you're gonna see that I'm gonna use. And I think that's cool. Look at that, like the marble stone on there. It kind of goes with like the tile, the gold. I love it. This is two-tone, so it kind of will bring out the gold. I have the gold in the picture too. So little odds and ends with golds. So this will be perfect. And just like that, it is dry. I love to make sure I put the tape. I'm just telling you, this part, this step, before it even starts, is the best thing you can do. It makes your job a lot easier for after cleanup. And I'm just so happy. You guys, looks so good. So good, so good. And then look at, aren't these gonna look so great? Oh my gosh. But yes, it looks good. So progress, progress, progress. And I'm glad that you guys are coming along for the ride. But at least you got to see like the before and during. I'm done with all of the coats. They're pretty much really dry. I did this yesterday. I painted and I sanded and painted yesterday, all day long. It was President's Day. So it wasn't all day. I would say a good 6 hours from like beginning to end. as far as sanding to finally dry. I will be putting these doors back on today, but so far, so good. And I'm gonna get these and I'm gonna drill them, the hardware. I'm gonna drill them in this drawer, that drawer, and then these 3 knobs. It's crazy how like, they only sell them in 8 though. So all I need is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Because this doesn't pull out, so it doesn't need a knob there, which is fine because that's where the sink is right there. But I can't wait to show you the finished look, you guys. I even did some changes. I did a video of all this, just so I can add and change stuff. Okay, so it is the grand finale. I'm about to show you the real grand reveal in this bathroom. And I'm so excited on how it turned out. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with myself. But let me finish up, show you this. It is time. It is the finale, the creme de la creme you're about to see right now on these cabinets. This bathroom is officially completed. Yes, I will pat myself on the back. You know why? Because your girl did it again. The Succulent home did the dang thing. And I did a revamp that elevated this bathroom to look expensive. Like I spent a lot of money. And I didn't. Because your girl, she can work on a dime. Oh yeah. I can make money stretch. Let me show you. So here we go. Look at how beautiful and elevated that cabinetry looks like now. This is beautiful. I love the hardware we chose. I love that it plays off the gold, the stone. You guys already know I do a lot of stone in my house. I just love the natural element to it. You could tell even, you know, with my soap little dispenser, even right here. So you see, your girl loves natural elements in the home, all over throughout my house. So I thought this would be a really good like accent piece, as you know. I even did the inside of the painting so it looks complete. I did not take any shortcuts, but I love the pool. I love the pool. This looks a little empty right now. Yes, that's little feminine products. Put this down here, maybe in the back right there. I'm not a hoarder, you guys, so you're not gonna see a lot of stuff. I actually love even putting like liners. This is usually where the towels go, and I'm washing them right now, so that's why it's empty. But yeah, I did the pools, did all the painting everywhere. I'm not mad at it. I think your girl did a great job. And that is what it's looking like. So if you want to elevate your bathroom and you need to, don't be afraid of paint with your cabinets. Because if you can't buy a new vanity, then it's nice to be able to do it yourself if that's your only option too. So look at how great everything looks. So do you see in the mirror? So you see the gold in the painting that reflects from the wall that's right behind me. And it just looks good. I think it ties it all in. Now it has a complete look. Yes. Hey, boo, hey. Hey, boo, hey. Don't want to make you sick. So here I already showed you this in the other video. So nothing has changed over here so far, but I did elevate over here with getting the black curtains to hang on the second pole higher. When you lift the pole higher, then obviously your eyes are going to go up, and it's a really high ceiling in here. So I feel like it works out pretty good. And everything else looks great. See? And right here, I already showed you all this. All of this is the same. I'm going to I gotta touch up on the wall where there's holes. I gotta just putty these, and then I'm gonna repaint this wall. But I think I'm gonna do this wall black, but I'm not quite sure. But everything is the same right in here. So I hope you enjoyed this little DIY vlog with me from beginning to end. I still need to probably get a rug. The other one that I did buy here doesn't go now with the decor and the picture that I bought. So I will need to be getting another rug. But until then, this is the complete look. Until the next video, you guys, God bless. Bye.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Before you try being on your own side for once, keep it in here and lock it, keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, but sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.